Hey there, it's Kat, and today I'm going to show you how to sell firearms using trade show mode. Whether you're at an in-state or out-of-state gun show, this feature makes handling firearm transactions a breeze. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about the E4473 form. When you create an E4473 for a hold-sale transaction at a gun show, Bravo automatically copies the show name and address to the gun show information section on question 25 on the E4473. You can view and edit this info by selecting the gun show button on the E4473 start screen. First up, we're selling a firearm at an in-state gun show to a customer who can easily pop into the store to pick up the firearm if delayed, or even release it directly to them at the show if allowed. We're going to start the sale just like you normally would. Add the customer, scan the barcode, and collect the cash. Bravo will take you straight to the E4473 screen for the background check, going through the same process as you would if you were in your own store. Just remember, approvals, delays, and denials will all get handled just like they normally would. And Bravo manages the A&D book, E4473s, and even 3310s for you. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's switch to selling a firearm at an out-of-state gun show. This scenario is a bit different since the customer can't pick up the firearm from you if there's a delay. Here's how to handle it. As you can see, we have our customer and firearm in the transaction screen already. We're going to navigate to the lower left corner and click Third-Party Transaction to add a local FFL to the transaction. This FFL will complete the customer's background check for us when they pick it up. When you save the sale, Bravo will take you to the E4473 FFL processing screen. We're going to select Hold Items at the bottom toolbar. This lets you collect payment upfront regardless of your store's usual setup. Once you're back from the gun show and ready to ship the firearm to the third-party FFL, scan the receipt from the gun show, click Firearm and Process from the side menu, and next to log the firearms out of the A&D book. Adding a $0 shipping to the transaction will even create a transfer slip. There you have it! Selling firearms using trade show mode is straightforward and efficient, making your gun show transaction smooth and compliant. If you have any questions, our Solution Center has a ton of helpful articles. You can also chat with our AI assistant Judy or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.